neighborhood. Yeah, I thought I'd stop and say hello. Wait, I can't see you over there. Oh, there you are. What? Oh. What are you guys doing? Oh, hello, my cutie. Hi. Oh, you're a very handsome boy. Oh, very handsome. Where's your sister? Where did your sister go? Hello? Puppy. What are you doing, Puppy? Puppy. Hello, Puppy. Oh. I didn't know where you went. I was looking all over for you. Yeah, I was looking all over for you. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you eating my nose? Are you eating my nose? Yes, you are. Where's Jenny?
Simon.
Hello? What are you doing, little puppies? Says, hey, those guys are out. We want to come out. I think they should. Yeah. Look, I want to come out. Open the door, please.